What's up, guys? Yeah, I literally just got out of work and I'm going to be heading home pretty soon. But today I really want to get accomplished. I want to take some actual nice photos of my Jeep. I just got a new lens for my camera. So right now I'm actually filming this on my cell phone, but I got a new lens for my camera. And I really want to test this lens out on my Sony A5000, I should say. Yeah, this camera, my camera body is old, but I really like this camera. And I kind of want to like utilize it and just kind of learn this camera for, I don't know, just the best of its abilities before I upgrade to like an A6500 or something like that, or you know, the A7S II or something. But yeah, so I'm gonna head home for a quick second, and then we're gonna go scout out some places. Hopefully can find somewhere that's kind of cool. I just want to get some cool photos of my Jeep, and yeah, figured I'd bring you guys along with me for the ride. Oh, and also on a quick side note, you see this, I have a new fire extinguisher like mount at the mounted in the back. I wanted something that was a little bit easier to get the fire extinguisher out of if I really, you know, if I ever need it. So this case is a lot better. Quick and easy to get the fire extinguisher out, and quick and easy to just mount it up to probably one of the back pillars or somewhere up there. I'll just mount it. I'm not sure yet. But I'm going to do the quick drive home, and then we're going to get this video started. So let's go. Got out some good places to take some pictures. I'm in like this park. There's some cars over there. I don't know. Let me see what's up over here. Let's see. All right, I think I found the perfect spot. There's like no one around. I'm not on the grass. So I'm gonna post up and try to get as many shots as I possibly can of my Jeep. This is actually a perfect spot. So yeah, I'm really excited that I was able to find a spot. I'll go here for a little bit, and then after this, I'll go find some other spots to take some more pictures. Some car literally just drove over here. It was someone in like a white Toyota Camry. I think they were looking like, what is this person doing over here? And they were like, oh, they're taking pictures for the gram. And as you can see, I definitely am. All right, so let me finish up taking these photos over here, and then I'm gonna move on to a different spot. This is a really cool spot. I'm gonna definitely come back out here again. Time to take some more shots with this camera. See how this turns out. I think I definitely got a lot of good photos for Instagram and for the website. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me. It's just OmegaGreed, same name as my YouTube channel, and the website is geekswithcars.com. So I think we got a lot of good photos. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited about this one spot. I'm gonna move on to another spot. I think I saw down there. It's like a loading dock. I think I'm gonna go down there and see if I can get some shots. But yeah, let's see what's going on. Really cool spot. I'm happy that I found this spot, and I'm gonna continue to take more photos here in the future. There's another spot. There's like a dock. I don't know if I could drive down it, but I'm gonna just see real quick. If I can, cool. If not, then I guess I won't. I mean, I could actually take more photos in this parking lot, but I'm kind of, I don't know, the scenery is kind of played out. Let's just see if I could drive down here. Guys, I think I found the right spot. This is literally a little bridge. We can drive 10 miles per hour speed limit. Hold up, let me take a quick peek. Do a quick scouting report. Oh yeah, we're getting some shots. Let's go right back, get into the car. We're going down there, we're getting some shots. Gotta do this for the gram. Quick side note, I wanna see what's actually down here. Oh, just like a little, just more. No, there's a loading dock. To go fishing. Oh yeah, it's right by. I'm gonna turn around because I don't really need to be down here though. There, it is the Niagara River. You can see right over to Canada. It's kind of cool, but I'm more concerned with this little bridge right here. So let's get ourselves in position. At least I know there's like one car down there. I don't think he's going to be leaving anytime soon. If he is, Well, I'll just move, but I'm just get myself right into position. I'll jump out, take a couple of photos, and we'll be done. But the coolest place, or the coolest spot I found to take some photos. So secluded, so nice. I've actually came here before when I took some photos. Like one of my earlier videos with my Jeep, I had like a video, like taking some photos with my Jeep or something like that. I don't know what it was called. I actually came here, but I went like on the other side of the park. Didn't know this was even over here. So yeah, real cool place. Super excited I was able to find this spot. I'm definitely gonna come back again. All right, I'm just doing one quick. Actually, that one guy left, so I had to move. So I want to see actually what's down here a little bit more. Maybe I could find some other places to take some more photos. Who knows? We'll see. This is like a really cool, like little windy path down here. So I think we should have all of this to ourselves. We do, and I kind of want to go out on this dock real quick, see what's up over there. But yeah, it's really cool, like a little park. So let's see what's up. It's so nice out. And look at, I have my own little view. Wow, that bird's going crazy. And look, I have my own little view of the Niagara River. It's perfect. All right, guys, so it looks like I'm gonna probably end the video here because I'm kind of done taking photos of my Jeep. I'm gonna go off and try to do some more nature type of photography for a minute. But yeah, I don't know. I'm happy that I found this place. I'm happy that I actually got a chance to explore a little bit more over here. And who knew? I didn't know that this park was like connected to, well, it was on the Niagara River, because I knew like the other side isn't. I didn't know that this side is. So it's pretty cool. You can look right over, see the Canada. So I'm gonna go, just take some more photos around here and just kind of hang out for a bit while I still have some daylight. But yeah, I just want to bring you guys along with me for the quick ride. Just taking some pictures of my Jeep. As you can see, it's back there. I'm gonna probably snag a couple more photos, but nothing too crazy. But yeah, thank you guys. Like always, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like. Check out some of the other videos that I've done. I've done a ton of the videos on my Jeep. I'm doing a whole bunch more. So if you get a chance to check out my Instagram, like I said before, OmegaGreed. And if you get a chance, check out the website. It's geekswithcars.com. And yeah, I have a lot of stuff in store for that website. So if you guys are interested, check it out. But yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video. See ya. Alright guys, I know I said I was going to end the video, but on a real quick side note, which is so weird. As I was wondering to myself, I was like, it's kind of weird. You can just drive, you can like literally get on your boat, you can go over to Canada, and I don't know, like, I was thinking that to myself, like, you could just go over to Canada and like no one would really know. If you look on my Instagram, there should be a video that should be uploaded of like me just filming where I just was. Literally, there was a boat that was just kind of hanging out there, and they kind of came close to the American side. They didn't fully come over, but they were like at like a dock that was kind of close, like the next dock over. Sure enough, like 3 minutes later, Border Patrol just showed up out of nowhere. They pulled up next to me, and they were like, "Sir, did that boat? Did they just drop people off?" And I was just like, "I don't think so." Yeah, it was really weird, but so. Needless to say, Border Patrol, they are watching, which I was wondering about that. I was like, wow, that's really easy to get people over here. But yeah, so that's all I wanted to say. All right, now the video is really over.